Hi guys, welcome back to my bubble, and I have a mukbang for you guys. I cut my hair. As you can see, I'm like so excited and nervous at the same time because I don't know if you guys are gonna like it. I don't know how you guys are gonna feel about it. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm still like playing with it and, you know, just adjusting to it. It's so different. It's so different, but it feels so good. Like my head feels so much lighter. But before I get into my haircut, because as you can see, that is what we're going to be talking about today, I am going to talk about what I got going on here. So you guys know that we're in quarantine. We can't do much. We can't go out to restaurants. We can't do none of that stuff. It's just supermarket, bodega, delis, and back home. And I've noticed that, well, honestly, my daughter gave me this idea. Like, we were talking about it the other day. She was like, Mommy, haven't you noticed that every time that you go to the store, we always grab the same things? And it's because these are the things that we can literally like live off. I'm missing the cereal, but that's okay because I don't feel like eating cereal right now. So yes, you guys, I can live off hot dog with ketchup and jalapenos, sandwich with American cheese, honey turkey, and jalapenos. I'm just missing the ketchup, which I have right here. Takis, because they're my fave. Sour Patch watermelon. And of course, a Sprite. But this one is the ginger Sprite. I've never tried the ginger Sprite, but anything Sprite, you guys know I love. So let's go ahead and try this first. How have you guys been? How's it going? I feel good today. Could barely taste the ginger. It's like a regular Sprite. Let me show you guys a little more. Okay, so that's better. Let's take a bite of this hot dog. So yes, I thought this was, you know, something a little different. And yes, Brie gave me this idea. I'm like, okay, not bad. I'll try that. You guys know I hate the kitchen. Like, I hate cooking. It's just no fun to me. So if I could if I could live off these things, I sure would. You guys, I've had a rough morning. Well, not really rough. I've just been up since like 6 something in the morning. The babies were up with me. And you heard that? And yes, this is like my first meal. I haven't had anything all day, and it is 3:26. I was at a doctor's appointment with the babies. They were getting their 1-year shots. You know how that goes. They're currently sleeping. So I'm taking advantage and talking to you guys. So about my hair. So I got my hair cut on Saturday. It's Tuesday, so it's 3 days old now. It's a little bit oily. But it still looks okay. So I hit up my hair lady. She's finally seeing people because she does work from home, and she's seen them, you know, with appointments and stuff. You guys already knew that I've been wanting to cut my hair like this for a while. I was just like scared shitless, nervous, because I've always had long hair. I love my long, beautiful black hair, but I wanted a change. Like, I wanted something different. I did just turn 30, and I don't know, I just feel like, you know, I wanted to look, I don't know, I just feel like my hair, my long hair was just making me look dull. Like, it wasn't making me shine no more, you feel me? I needed something new. I needed something different. And I think she did a good job. I think she did a pretty good job. Now, when I went this time, like I said, she's only seeing people by appointments. I was the only one there, thank God. Because had it been full of the ladies that she's always with, again, they would have talked me right out of it. And I did exactly what I said I would do. I told her just shut up and do it. She was like, all right, okay. The whole time she was just making faces though. I love her. It's the only person I really like trust with my hair, because she got great hands, like, for everything. Always go to her. So that was pretty much it. I showed her a picture of how I wanted it, and she just chopped away. Like, the whole time I'm sitting there, I didn't really want to think about it. I wish I would have recorded it, but I'm just like, my heart was just like beating out my chest like crazy, you guys. And I'm just like, just talk to me, let's just talk about something. And she was just yapping away about the randomest things, and next thing I know, it's gone. It's all gone, and all I hear is a chick, 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 chick. I'm like, girl, you going ham with them scissors. I mean, I like it. I just, like I said, I just gotta get used to it. The only sucky part is that the ponytail, you guys, look, it's tiny. I can't do my big old Selena bun no more, obviously. But it's okay. It's okay. I can work with this. I can work with this. These hot dogs are so good. The jalapenos are so good. What are some foods you guys can live off of? Comment them down below. I would love to know. Man, I could eat bread all day. And it's so bad for you, but it's so good. Marina, my ashy ass elbows. I don't want to just stand and I put lotion. I need a loofah. What else did I want to tell you guys? feel like I had something else to tell you, but I forgot. I'm sorry. Let's go. I don't know. I guess that's all. I'm eating too fast. So, my hair lady's back in business. Now I need my nail lady to start working again because is that the babies? I don't know. I'm full. Yeah, my babies cried so much earlier. Felt so bad. I love ketchup. Sorry, I'm leaving the crust. I can't eat that one. So yeah, you guys, pretty much I can live off of junk food. There you go. Junk food. Cooked meals? Yeah. Yeah. Unless somebody cooks them for me. But this is pretty much it. Oh, and cornflakes. 20 the tiger. I feel so full. Well, I'm gonna wrap it up here, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like my picks of the day. And comment down below what you guys can live off. And if you like my haircut, I hope you guys do, because I think I do. Anyways, Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Ginger.